In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications in Basecamp. By the end, you'll have your account tuned so you only get the updates you actually care about when you want to see them and on the device that makes the most sense for you. Let's start from your main Basecamp dashboard. Look up to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Change Your Notification Settings. This is your main control center for how and when Basecamp gets your attention. On the notification settings page, you'll see a few different types of notifications you can customize. First, look at your email notifications. Here, you can decide whether you want emails for everything that happens or only for direct interactions like pings and mentions. If you're feeling overwhelmed by email, it's usually a good idea to limit it to things that involve you directly so your inbox doesn't turn into a full activity log. Next, take a look at your browser or pop-up notifications. These are the little alerts that appear on your screen when you're working in your browser or have Basecamp open. If you like real-time updates while you're at your desk, keep these on. If you find them distracting, you can turn them off or reduce them so they're only used for important activity. You can also fine-tune notifications for specific projects. Scroll through your projects and adjust settings for each one individually. For example, you might want constant updates from a critical project, but only occasional notifications from something less urgent. You can even drill down to specific to-do lists for more detailed control. Now, let's set up timing and frequency. Look for the section often called Work Can Wait. Here, you can define your working hours, like 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Basecamp will then pause notifications outside of those times, so you're not disturbed when you're off the clock. Just set the days and times that match your schedule. You may also see an option for bundling notifications. When this is enabled, Basecamp will group notifications from the same project within a short window, usually about 5 minutes. This helps reduce clutter by sending you one combined alert instead of several separate ones. For to-do notifications, go to a specific to-do list in a project. Find the three-dot menu, usually displayed as 3 little dots. Click that and choose Notify Me when new to-dos are added. This is helpful if you're responsible for a particular area and want to know whenever new tasks appear there. Once you're happy with all of your choices, look for a button that says Save My Settings, or simply confirm that your changes are saved automatically. Give your settings a quick review to make sure everything matches how you want to work. And that's it. Your Basecamp notifications are now set up so you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed.